Hey guys, today we'll be looking at the Turbosmart 10 PSI IWG75 internal wastegate for 2015 and newer EcoBoost Mustangs. The turbo on the EcoBoost has an internal wastegate or actuator, and Turbosmart is offering this as a replacement upgrade wastegate. Swapping out your factory wastegate for this Turbosmart one can really change the drivability of the car. It also opens you up for future modding and for more boost. The spring that comes in this wastegate is a 10 PSI spring, but Turbosmart does offer springs that range from 3 to 26 PSI, so this wastegate can grow with you as you mod your EcoBoost. This wastegate is going to be a good option for anyone looking to get a little bit more performance and some improved drivability out of their EcoBoost with minimum work. A tune is required with this. It costs about $150, and I'm going to call the install a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. This is a 10 PSI internal wastegate, which means that it'll hold 10 PSI of exhaust pressure. And Turbosmart talks a lot about how this wastegate creates a flatter boost curve that'll come on sooner, with more stable boost and less drop off at the end of the rev range when you compare it to the performance of the stock wastegate. That means less turbo lag, more consistent boost throughout the RPM range, and no drop off in the upper RPMs. Ultimately, that means a car that'll build boost fast and maintain boost well. You'll have a better drivability and a smooth boost delivery. This wastegate or actuator is ideal for modified or tuned vehicles. You'll need a tune to install this anyway, and you can expect an increase of 1 to 2 PSI of peak boost, but your real gains are going to be in the mid-range since you'll be hitting boost faster and holding it in a more consistent manner. This actuator is more heavy-duty and performance-oriented than the factory wastegate is. It's made from high-grade billet aluminum, and it has stainless steel rods and connecting clevis for corrosion resistance, has a silicone diaphragm with Nomex reinforcement to withstand high temps, and a locking collar cap that'll let you change out the springs quickly and easily. And because you can change those springs out easily, this wastegate can be used for a wide range of boost levels. Turbosmart offers springs from 3 PSI to 26 PSI, which you can pick up separately. Once again, I'll call the install for this a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. That'll wrap up this video, but keep in mind you can always check this wastegate out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.